Before we begin, let me tell you a little bit about digestion. Actually, my friend Ali Wally's going to tell you about it.
Oh, okay. Digestion is the complex process of turning the food you eat into nutrients, which the body uses for energy, growth, and cell repair needed to survive. The digestive process also involves creating waste to be eliminated.
Step 1.
The mouth.
The mouth is the beginning of the digestive tract. In fact, digestion starts here as soon as you take the first bite of your meal. Chewing breaks down the food into pieces that are more easily digested, while saliva mixes with food to begin the process of breaking it down into a form your body can absorb and use. Ellie, tell me about step 2.
Step 2. The pharynx and the esophagus, also known as the throat. The pharynx is the part of the digestive tract that receives the food from your mouth. Branching off the pharynx is the esophagus, which carries food to the stomach, and the trachea or windpipe, which carries air to the lungs.
Interesting.
Step trace.
Anyways, the stomach and the small intestine. The stomach is a separate organ.
Keep going,
like
Tegan.
an organ that serves as a grinder and a mixture of foods. Anyways, from the stomach, the food then moves to the small intestine. The small intestine consists of 3 parts. The first part is called the duodenum, connects to the stomach. The middle part is called the jejunum. The third part is called the ileum, attached to the colon. The small intestine also breaks down food using enzymes that are released by the pancreas and bile from the liver. The small intestine is the hardest worker of the digestion, and this is where most nutrients are absorbed.
Peristalsis is also at work in this organ, moving food through and mixing it up with the digestive secretions from the pancreas and liver, including bile. The duodenum is largely responsible for the continued breakdown process, with the jejunum
We're going to be done on how to say.
and ileum being mainly responsible for absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream.
While we're talking about digestion,
Let's talk about the difference between mechanical and chemical digestion.
mechanical digestion involves physically breaking down the food into smaller pieces. Mechanical digestion begins in the mouth and as the food is chewed.
Chemical digestion involves breaking down the food into similar nutrients that can be used by the cells. Chemical digestion begins in the mouth when food mixes with saliva. The final step, the colon,
Large intestine.
is a 5 to 7 foot long muscular tube that connects the small intestine to the rectum. It is made up of the ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, and the sigmoid colon, which connects to the rectum. The appendix is a small tube attached to the ascending colon. The large intestine is a highly specialized organ that is responsible for proceeding waste so that getting rid of water is easy and convenient.
Now that we've covered the basics, why is digestion even so important, Ellie?
Well, digestion is important for breaking down food into nutrients, which the body uses for energy, growth, and cell repair. Food and drink must be changed into smaller molecules of nutrients before the blood absorbs them and carries them to cells throughout the body. The body breaks down nutrients from food and drink into carbohydrates, protein, fats, and vitamins.
Wow. Well, everyone, thanks for learning with us. We had a really fun time.
We did. See you
All right.
later, Tegan.
Well, I guess this is it, Ellie. I'll see you later.
Bye. I don't really know why she got out because this is her car, but anyways. Bye.